Bonjour, ça va? Moi, ça va bien, merci. Vous avez bien travaillé. You've worked really hard, so keep it up. And cette semaine, this week, vous allez disputer. You're going to have a little chat with me on mercredi, on Wednesday, with your live lesson. So please check your emails to see your times. I just want to give you some feedback on last week. And one confusion that a few members of the class had was between 2 and 12. So 2, so we've got 1, 2, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is 12, whereas 2 is 2. So it's really important to be able to distinguish between those two. So we've got 2 and 12. So maybe just have a little bit more of a practice with those two. And then the second thing was the spelling of soixante. So notice how different it is from 6, to 60, which is soixante. You can see you've got an extra O in there. So it's really important to remember that. Just a tiny little difference. But that's all my feedback for this week. Email me if you have any problems. But bonne chance, good luck, and à bientôt. See you soon.